Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when an iPhone won't make calls but can receive calls. You pick up your iPhone and dial the number on the phone app's keypad, but only to find that it can't make calls. Puzzling, right? What's more confusing is that your iPhone can receive incoming calls normally. Fret not. This video guide will look at some possible causes and solutions to help you resolve the calling issues. Why can you receive calls but not make calls on iPhone? Commonly, it can be due to weak network connection, mobile plan issues, a faulty SIM card, misconfigured device settings, and malfunctioning operating system. Besides, the issue might be related to your phone carrier or the device's hardware components. Now, let's walk through how to fix an iPhone that can't make calls but can receive calls. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Put your phone in an area with strong network signals. Poor signals and network outages are the common reasons why your iPhone can't make calls but can receive them. So, make sure your device has a strong cellular signal. The network strength can be determined by the signal bars on the upper right corner of your screen. If you're in an area with poor network coverage, try to move to another location with a better coverage area and make a call. Review your mobile plan. You can visit the carrier company's app or website to take a look. Here are a few things you need to check. Your mobile account is correctly set up to work with your iPhone. The account is active and in good standing with your phone carrier. The account has sufficient balance and doesn't exceed limits on calling or have unpaid bills. If you find something wrong during the check, it needs to be blamed for why your iPhone cannot make outgoing calls but can receive incoming calls. The next step should be contacting the customer service for further assistance. Toggle off airplane mode. Ensure that you haven't accidentally turned on the airplane mode. This feature will disable cellular and Wi-Fi connection. To check it, open the control center on your iPhone. Locate the airplane icon. If it's highlighted in orange, it means the airplane mode is on. Just tap the icon to disable it. If the airplane mode is off, you can turn it on for 5 seconds then turn it off. Now, test if now your iPhone is allowing you to make calls and receive calls. Perform a soft restart on your iPhone. Sometimes, your iPhone's operating system might be glitchy, stopping it from receiving signals from a nearby network tower. As a result, you can't make calls with iPhone but can receive calls. Thankfully, a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches like this. And all your saved data and files will stay safe and sound after the reboot. Follow these instructions to do a reboot. On an iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold the volume up or down button and the power button. On an iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power button. Drag the power off slider to the right to turn off your phone and wait for 30 seconds. Then, press and hold the power button until an Apple logo shows up on the display. After your iPhone reboots, dial the number to check if the call goes through. Inspect the SIM card. The SIM card connects your iPhone to the mobile network, enabling you to make outgoing calls with one simple click. However, if it's corrupted or cracked, the call connectivity will be interrupted, making you unable to make calls on iPhone but can receive them. If your iPhone has a SIM card, shut down the device. Then gently use a SIM eject tool to take out the card. Next, take a careful look at the card to see if there are any damage signs like bending, scratches, cracks, etc. If it's broken, contact your phone carrier company to replace it with a new one. If it's in good condition, put the SIM card back to your phone. Then, try to call out again to see if the device can get you through to the person. Check if your iPhone blocks the number. You might block some phone calls from certain people for some reason. Once a phone number is added into the blocked contacts list, you can't call out using it. So, when you can't make a call on an iPhone but can receive a call, that number you're trying to contact might have been blocked. To check it, navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down to tap Apps if needed, then find and select Phone option. Scroll down a little bit to tap Blocked Contacts. A list of numbers that have been restricted will show up. Take a look at them. If the phone number you can't call is there, swipe right to left across the number. Then tap Unblock. Make a call to this contact now to verify if it can be connected. Make sure you're blocked by the receiver. Your iPhone can receive any call but can't make a call to one specific number? It sounds like the receiver has blocked your phone number on his or her device. Try to contact the receiver using another phone, by texting, through instant messaging apps, or on social media. Do an update on carrier settings. Obsolete carrier settings could lead to call failure on your iPhone. You can check if there is an update on your device's settings app by following these steps. Open Settings, tap General and select About. If a carrier settings update is available, there will be a notification popping up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Install a new iOS update. Make sure you have the latest updates installed. The latest operating system firmware may contain a fix for your iPhone that cannot make calls but can receive calls. Before you update, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. Charge it to at least 85% and spare at least 6 GB free storage space. To get the latest iOS update, open your iPhone's Settings app. Tap the General option, then the Software Update option. When you get a page introducing details of the latest iOS version, hit the Download and Install button. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the iOS update installation process. Remember to make a call to see if the issue is resolved. Reset all the network settings. If the iPhone is not able to make outgoing calls but can receive incoming calls, consider restoring the network settings to their defaults. Affected settings are cellular data, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, etc. Here's what you need to do. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. Choose General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings from the opening menu. It'll ask you to enter the lock screen passcode. Just enter it correctly and confirm to trigger the reset on network configurations. After the reset, check if you're now able to make an outgoing call and receive an incoming call. Connect with the support team. If your iPhone still won't allow you to make outgoing calls but you can receive incoming calls, contact mobile network providers to see if there is any problem at their side. You can also make an appointment at a nearby Apple service center and reach out to the technician there for repairs. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that can't make calls but can receive calls. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in using the device again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.